Hello, sir. My name is Nick Valiano, and I am recording this on December 5th, 2020. My student number is above, and here is the serial number for my AD2. Today we are recording Task 2 of Lab 9, and let's get right on into it. Here's the circuit as follows. I have all my resistors in place, my capacitors in the correct orientation, and I have the correct BJT in here. So we're just going to connect the wires. First comes the gold and solid orange to the end of this capacitor right here. So I'm just gonna go do that. I'll put this down for a second just so I can see better. Just like that, those two. This red wire is going to go right there, pretty easy. This white wire, it's gonna go right there, and this solid blue wire is going to go right about here. Alrighty, so I'm going to set the amplitude of the wavegen to 100 millivolts. And I'm going to run these supplies and the network simulator. So it's just gonna let it go for a second. All right, there we are. So to get mid-band gain, we are going to take an X cursor and just plot it right in the middle there. That is around like 29 dB, and the phase would be around like 179. And to get the low corner frequency, you're gonna have to move it like that's about the low corner frequency. You get that, you record the phase. And to get the high corner frequency, you get it when it's about to drop on the right hand side. So that's about somewhere around there. And yeah, just like that. We have to do, set the wavegen tab to about 20 millivolts as our first one. So we're going to enable the supplies, the wavegen, and also the scope. So it's going to turn out to be that. We're going to record our VI, VO, and the phase, which is these values respectively. Just like that. We're going to do the same thing. Change it to 30 millivolts. And around the scope again. Just like that. And then repeat with these same values. And that is how you get your corrected values like that. And the last thing that they want for task 2, they want the amplitude of W1 when you visually observe distortion in the output waveform. So we have to figure out the amplitude at which this will occur. So I believe that it's somewhere around 50. So put 50 millivolts in. Then we'll go see it in the scope. And as you see, it does start to cut off. So it is approximately 50 millivolts right there. All right. My DC voltages for both of the two cases with 20 millivolts and 30 millivolts were both very close. Only a 1 volt difference. So there's nothing much to be said there. My phases were also both very close. And then calculated from my pre-lab questions, my gain was approximately -56. And yeah, that was approximately my gain. And yeah, my mid-band gain that I received for test 2 was around 30. So that's the conversion with that. They were slightly close, just in the opposite polarities, different directions. And I do believe that's about everything. Task 2 was just a few steps. We compared all the values. We recorded the peak to peak voltages, the input amplitudes, the phases, mid-band gains, and yeah, that is just about it. So thank you very much for watching, sir. I hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you next time.